Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna teach you how to hide date of birth on your Facebook. So the steps are very much simple. First of all, make sure to get connected with the internet. Then simply start by tapping on the apps icon. Go to the Facebook. Here we go. And also make sure you are signed in on your Facebook there. And just tap on this three line at the top right. And just scroll down and tap on this settings and privacy bar. And again tap on this settings option and scroll down. Here in the audience and visibility, you will see a profile information there at the top. Just tap on this profile information, and once you enter here, just scroll down below, and in this basic information you will see your date of birth there, and you can edit it by tapping on this edit at the right corner. Just tap this edit on the basic information. And yeah, after you enter here, you can see your date of birth there, and you can simply hide your date of birth by tapping on this right icon. Just tap this icon, and here you will see a lots of options, and you can hide it public as well as with your friends, or you can hide it with everyone. You can put it in only me to hide it with everyone there. So just tap on this only me option and just scroll down and tap on this shape option to make your changes. That's it. Yeah, your date of birth has been hidden from everyone there on your Facebook. So this is how simply you can hide your birth date on Facebook. So hope this video helped you a lot, and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe this channel before you go. Thank you.